Hi everyone, this is a project plant disease detection and animal detection. So here we are going to use Raspberry Pi for image processing purpose here. So this is the moisture sensor for moisture detection. So based on the moisture, it automatically turn on the motor, turn off the motor. Okay. So here we are going to use the camera for two purposes. One is for plant disease detection as well as animal detection. So here I have a project main code. So here you can just run it. As of now, no water. So if there is no water, so water not detected, less water, so motor is turned on. Okay, and also buzzer will turn on. So after this process, it will be capture the image, and it will find out whether the image is diseased or not. So now initially the image was given leaf image is good. Okay. So now next it will be capture the animal detection. For that it will take some time for processing. So animal not detected comes. So now I put it in water, it is turned off. So leaf image is good. So next it will be go for the animal detection. Okay, here yes. So animal is detected zebra. So you can see here animal detected. You can see here also. So like this we can multi-purpose agriculture purpose we are going to use this project.